If you want to add new content to your team site, you're going to need to know how to add an app. Apps are tools that can be used to organize lists of data or records, store documents and other files, or even manage your project deadlines. Once you've installed an app, you can adjust the settings and even remove it if you no longer need it. So as you can see, I've accessed my team site via my SharePoint application. If I would like to access the site contents for my team page, I have two ways of accessing that. I can go up to the top right-hand side and select the settings gear, and from this menu I can go down and select site contents. I can also go to the left-hand side of my team site, and you'll notice in the left-hand menu towards the bottom that you have the option for site contents. Once you access site contents, you'll see the name of your site at the top, the total number of views, and the most recently accessed documents. Just above that, you'll notice that you have the option for new. Once you select this drop-down menu, you'll notice that you can add an application such as a list, page, document library, and app. If you go to the right-hand side, you'll see that you have access to the site workflows, site settings, and recycle bin. If I scroll all the way to the bottom, I'll get a complete list of all of my applications already attached to the site. So I can see I have documents libraries, as well as different lists. If I'd like to see the details of an application, I can go to the right-hand side and select the three dots found next to the application name. From this menu, I can go down and select Details. From Details, I'll get a description of the application. If I would like to add the same exact application, I can select Add it from this menu. If I would like to return it to my team site, I can select Team Site in the top left-hand corner, and I'll be brought back to my site contents page. If I would like to open the application itself, I can scroll down and select the application. Once I open the application, I'll get the list of all the documents if this is a library. For example, this is my documents library shared with my team site. I can see who has last modified the item, the date it was modified, as well as the name of the item. I can even see the type of the item on the left-hand side, so I can see this is an Excel document. And if I go down, I can see that I have Word documents as well as PowerPoint presentations. If I would like to upload items within the application, I can select the upload options, as well as quick edit options. And if I'd like to delete any items within the list, I can go next to the item and select delete at the top. It's going to ask if I'm sure, and I can select delete or cancel. To return to my list of applications, I can select Site Contents on the left-hand side,